Solicitors are there.
Not-
This is a wrong practice.
Not kindly bear with us. The number of senior counsels, including Solicitor General, has to join virtually in this matter, Lord. So any specific time he has already joined, not any specific time may be given to him.
Which item?
Serial number 22, Lord.
22.
This is the matter, my lord, where my lord, in
22.
case of an intra shareholders dispute, my lord, a PIL is filed by one lawyer in Madhya Pradesh, but without informing your lordships that Madhya Pradesh, no cause of action has arisen. And in case of intra shareholder dispute, my lord, a PIL would never lie. There are remedies under the company's law, and they've taken the remedies, the affected parties. I do not know, my lord, how he got the idea of filing a PIL. I appear for RBI and SEBI.
Lord, I appear for the company, my lord, in which the intended acquisition is to take place, my lord.
22.
We were served day before yesterday. My request would be if we would be granted a week's time to file our response. Let the matter be taken up after a week or so for hearing.
No.
I'll file.
I appear for respondent number 3.
There has been scurrilous allegation against the company, which has in.
Listen, what 21 so will
No, the company may be absolutely bad. The question
Lord,
is how a
but
PIL
that
would lie
affects my
and
right.
how
I am appearing
Madhya
for the
Pradesh has
company.
the
Let me be
jurisdiction.
heard. At least let me have a right to put my response.
Lord, I
I
also
can't
appear,
be by a side wind, not be allowed to make my response to such kind of a scurrilous allegation,
Lord,
which has
I also
tendency to
appear
lower
for-
down my share price.
I am appearing for R8. Allegations have been made against my client also, who is the chairperson. I want 3-4 days time to file a reply to this application. Your lordship may take it after a week.
My lord, I am,
My
Nothing is
request,
happening.
my lord.
my lord, I am
I
respectfully
appear
urging,
for one of respondent number 3, one
Mr.
of the applicants to the vacation application. My lord, your lordship may first decide the question of jurisdiction of the Madhya Pradesh
That's
High
all
Court
right, but
first.
it can be decided next
But we
week.
can, no, my lord, we
should
can.
get
all
time to
question of
discuss.
law, it
Decided
doesn't
next
need any
week.
affidavit.
Especially, this is an abuse of
Let at least
226.
parties should have a right to file an
He must have a
response
right
to
to
these
file a
allegations.
reply.
How can these
But
I'm
allegations?
sorry, my lord, this
if
is,
you
My
continue,
lord, at the outset, let me tell your lordship that there is no jurisdiction clause in this writ petition. They
That's
have not
all right,
said.
but our
They have not
response
even
we
is
will
said
argue
how
it.
they are
make
invoking.
allegation unfounded, unverified
Mr.
allegation. You
Mr.
want my
Mukul,
share
one-
prices to go down so that you can acquire
Milords,
a
I'm appealing for the
price.
petitioners in this matter,
can I,
Milords.
can I have 1
Time to
minute, my
file
lord? Can I have
response.
1
But
minute?
this is really unfair.
Can I
They
have
They
1
make
minute?
allegation and they
Can
don't
I
want
have
me to
1
respond
minute,
to such
Mr. Amit?
allegation.
Can I have 1 minute?
sir, don't make the fish market like this.
Yeah,
Everybody,
exactly, my lord, that's what is reduced to.
this matter will be posted on 22nd.
My lord,
Milord.
kindly hear me for a minute, my lord.
Yes.
Kindly hear me for a minute. Now, these two groups are fighting. Who is majority, who is minority? Share price is going up, share price is going down. In a petition filed by a stranger in a court having no jurisdiction, let it be adjourned after a month. Let the stay be vacated. I appear for
Why
RBI.
should it be
and
Milord,
vacated?
SEBI.
what RBI role? What role RBI has? I don't understand.
I am
The
my role
applications
is
were
to
made for
question.
open offer a year and a half ago. They have taken.
Why did you make RBI a party then? You have made
No,
RBI.
Mr.
No, I am
Mr.
not. I am
Jethmalani,
one of
that's
the
not the answer.
respondent. I have not made party, but I see no reason why this kind of interest RBI
Lord,
has. What
this is
interest
abuse of
RBI
the
has in
process,
this
my
If you
lord.
matter?
have any specific time today, my lord, then everybody will be heard and thereafter a lot of.
Let-
Let
Grant
it
us
be
a
at 2
week's time to
o'clock.
file our response. Let it be heard. Once everyone will have
Lord,
its
I
say.
am not pressing for, Lord, let Lord, whoever has filed an application, not press his application. We are arguing orally. This court would not have the jurisdiction and PIL is not maintainable. These are all questions of law and we can argue orally.
Without even a reply. Without any reply.
I would like to file
This is something,
response to
my
the
lord,
writ petition also because
what
there
an
are also
unheard of
allegations.
petitioner
I would like my
not
response
to have
be
done
on
this.
record.
The lordships have misled, my lord. At the time of
Petitioner ought not to have done this when, my lord, adventure.
Blood, permit us to file our response. Let it be heard any day after 4-5 days, my lord.
No, my lord, I'm sorry, my lord. Let whoever has filed an application, I would advise him not to press this application. Let us argue on the question of law.
RBI, it will not
Jurisdiction
make any
and the
difference.
locus.
A
And
week
let us see,
later,
my lord,
it will not, no heavens are going to fall if it is taken up after a week. I don't know why.
heavens never fall, Mr. Amit Anand. Heavens never fall. But there is
I,
something
with all
like
due respect, my lord,
decorum,
let our
there is
response
something
come.
like abuse
Because
of the
my
judicial
difficulty
process.
is there are allegations against company and it is designed allegations so that my share prices fall. This is what the modus operandi of 3 to 6. They have always been doing this. My share price was trading at 275. They make an open
Correct.
offer for
They-
235,
your
which brings down my
opponents
share
are
price. That is my
absolutely bad.
allegation
You
and
go
grievance
before
against
the
them.
forum.
I want to respond to their allegation. How can I want to respond to allegation of the
Mr.
writ petition? I
Jethmalani can
want to
withdraw
respond
his
to the
application
allegation
and
of 3
argue
to
on
6.
the question
Please
of brokers.
grant me time to file my response. That's my request.
फैसला भी आपस में ले लो बात करके.
My lord, I am sorry. Mr.
कोर्ट को
Jethmalani
सुनिए
will
मेरे.
withdraw.
आप सब बोले जा रहे हैं थ्रू वीसी. मैं यहाँ कुछ नहीं सुनाई पड़ रहा कि आप क्या बोल रहे हैं
But
क्योंकि
let me give uninterrupted 2 minutes. My lord,
उसमें
one group is Mr. Jethmalani, another group is Mr. Amit Anand and Mr. Mukul Rohatgi. Now a stranger, a person practicing in your lordship's court, files a petition regarding interstate disputes between the shareholder. He is not a shareholder, and he wants Madhya Pradesh High Court to decide something about a company situated in Delhi. Well, that's pure question of law. I am not going to rely upon any pleadings.
company situated at Delhi.
Yes.
Yes. And my lord, there is already the dispute
public listed company.
Who is for the petitioner?
My God.
You are for the petitioner. Why did you file the petition before this court?
For minority shareholders situated in the Masala.
Are you a minority shareholder?
If that is the position, file before the Delhi High Court.
Delhi.
My lord,
Company is at Delhi.
But he is not a minority shareholder also. He is a PIL petitioner.
Malaj, I am appearing for the petitioners through VC, Malaj.
Neither you are a shareholder,
no, I am
No,
nor
no, he is a complete stranger.
nor companies in the state. So then withdraw this petition.
but kindly.
No,
Malaj, please allow me to submit, Malaj. Malaj, I am
No,
appearing for the
I
petitioners
would
through
be
VC.
praying for cost.
Question.
Lord, somebody may file a petition in Sikkim High Court regarding some share dispute with Reliance.
My time taken 1 p.m.
Sorry?
Time taken 1 p.m.
What 1 p.m.? 1 p.m. you have-
What is this public interest?
You withdraw but file at the appropriate.
Am I audible to Malaj? Malaj, I am appearing for the petitioners through VC.
For the petitioner, seek permission to withdraw this petition with liberty to file before
One time taken on 1
before
PM, sir.
the jurisdictional court. Right?
My time. I
Yes.
have no instruction to my
Sorry?
senior. I have no instruction to my senior. Only
No,
taken.
no, you see, no jurisdiction having this court, then
But kindly
No.
taken on 1 p.m. Sir. My senior counsel Sundaram.
उसमें लिखो the petitioner is not a shareholder. He is not aggrieved by the impugned order.
हेलो
Second, the
आइटम 12 चल रहा है
is
अच्छा
therefore
Malaj, I am appearing for the petitioners, Malaj, if I am audible.
the petition is accordingly disposed of by giving liberty to the petitioner to file before the appropriate form as per the law.
Yes. I am obliged.
Deeply obliged, my lord. Deeply obliged.
My lord, may I humbly praying,
Yes, next one.
my lord, may I humbly praying, my lord, this is the special bench matter, my lord, this is the Bursi's, my lord, temporary bail application has filed by my special bench.
Special bench.